my god.
They've been eating good.
It's a nice catfish.
Rock bass?
Looks like Chase a little bit, right?
Got one? You ain't got one?
I got one.
Oh, you got one?
Right here.
Oh, shit.
It's a
rock bass.
Can I see?
Rocky McBass.
Holy shit.
That's not bad. You want to go down the side?
One channel cat.
Oh, it's a channel cat.
You want to go down the side and get it?
I'll grab it.
No, it's a nice size.
That's not a bad fish.
It's gonna snap it?
I hope not.
Yeah, there goes the rock bass.
Hold the rod, Ant.
10?
No, hold it here. Yeah, hold
Why,
it
you
back
think
here.
it's more than 10?
Right there, yeah.
We got on there, sea braid.
No.
And he's pulling it up like that.
Holy shit.
It's not bad.
I know, right? That's what I said.
Now look at Chase. Damn. That's a Chase, your fish twin.
Yeah.
Matt, you want
Take a picture, Nick.
Pliers.
Chase.
Yep.
Gimme.
Where's the pliers?
Oh,
Someone
I
got
got
pliers.
lots of pliers. Here, hold this.
Is that yours? What? It's not. Got it?
Oh, Nicole
take it
sent
out?
me, Nick.
Nick, let me see.
Good picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Take it out.
Not a bad channel.
Yeah. What?
Oh, he swallowed that.
First channel cat of the
on
year.
side, I think.
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.
It's right on the side. Oh, want me to get gloves? Or are you just gonna step on it?
Nick, what'd you buy?
Oh, good cheese.
Oh my god.
No, you should save that. No, cut.
First channel cat of the year, Passaic River.
That's like when the thing
Six
right
finger on this end. That's cut it off. That's a nice sized fish, man. You should kiss
It
it
is.
before you kick it.
Okay, that's
It's pregnant, man.
Oh my god.
Holy shit! That was disgusting.
You should leave him
They
right there.
live through anything.
You should leave him right there. Kick him in.
Is it flopping?
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, watch out.
There he goes. All right.
Oh. My fish.
Catfish.
So we stay at this place. It's total luxury. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath.
Oh crap! Look at this catfish.
bedroom? The smallest bedroom is 16 by 16.
Nice. Heads, bro.
Yeah, they have the big house.
Let's grab him by the mouth.
Oh, I know that. Yeah.
God, don't.
See, remember
I
that
wouldn't
guy
touch
from
any fish out of here.
Yeah, he was from Britain.
The guy from Britain, he went to go grab a catfish by the mouth.
This big Matt
It
was
bit him.
Yeah.
huge ass bug on your neck.
Here.
You hit it off, but I don't know if it's a big ass mosquito. Alright, Keith. I don't know how you're gonna get this out. It's
Will you swallow it?
pretty good. It's on the side. There you go.
There he goes.
It's small, bro.
Reel it.
Put it up there. See.
What do I do?
Now reel it up the bridge.
It's a small one.
Catfish. Catfish.
It's a small one.
Caught it.
Who cares? You caught it.
Fish on. Fish on.
Matt, come on now. You're on YouTube,
Yeah, you're such a
man.
fat guy.
You're a leverjack cheese. That's usually ours.
No.
Fish on. Fish on.
Okay, Matt, calm down.
Yo, can I like step on this thing?
I stepped on you, Matt.
Shake and bake, Chase.
Shake and bake. Shake and bake. Is this like a
Chase,
phone or
bring it to
something?
your
Video
dad.
camera.
Kid.
Dad.
Hey, well, come over.
Fish.
Hey, Matt.
Fishing here on the Hillary Street Bridge tonight. Passaic River. Woo! X.V.O! Out here on the Passaic River, on the Hillary Street Bridge, Passaic County, watching the fireworks from Garrett Mountain. You probably remember that, because I went shed hunting there a few times. Got a few catfish already. Got another one.
That's the same one.
Yeah, it looks like the same one.
What do you got to say, Matt?
Tiny ass catfish.